Hi, welcome to ar-cad and Small Guru. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the simulation of an elliptical trammel in INMotion, which is a motion simulation add-in for Autodesk Inventor. So I have an elliptical trammel with a block which is grounded, and I have a slider 1, which is the slider in yellow, the right one. Then I have slider 2, and also I have a handle which is green in color. And these are constrained, so basically the slider is this yellow slider, the slider on the right is constrained to have its one of the faces, side faces, with the side face of this elliptical block, trammel block, and also the bottom face of this with the top face of this slot. So basically this is constrained to have this uh, contact with two faces in contact. Similarly, this trammel block or slider rather is having constants as well. So as you can see, uh, that gets highlighted. So basically, this face is to have constant with this face, and also the bottom face of this yellow block should have contact with the top face of this slot. And yeah, I also have two insert joints out here. So basically there's an insert joint constraint between the hole and the extruded circular part, circular extrusion. Similarly, I also have another constraint out here. Okay, these are the two constraints on the handle. Yeah, now this is very much what Inventor gives us. To go to the next step, we have INMotion, which is motion simulation add-in for Autodesk Inventor, is listed in applications tab. I click on INMotion, so I get the INMotion browser, which has the grounded part in it, and also the movable parts. The three parts are movable in this case, and also have all the constraints. So yeah, let's say the highlighted one is here. I right click on it and I set a rotation of 720 degrees per second. I go to simulation settings and edit it from 0 to 1 seconds, and also I can change the frames. So in this case I'll have how much, 20, yeah, 20 frames per second. I right click on simulation, I go to enable simulator, I get a motion simulation, rather INMotion playback deck. I click on start simulation button. So basically all the components are passed to our solver, and so as you can see, this is how the elliptical trammel behaves when the motion is given. Now the motion was a bit jerky, so what we can do is we can go to simulation settings, go to edit, make it 100 frames per second, and again go to simulation, enable simulator, and I start simulation. So in this case we should get a relatively smooth simulation. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit slow compared to the earlier one because we are 1/5 the speed of the earlier simulation. So this is for simple mechanisms which have only parts inside it. So basically, as you can see, all these are parts. The next one I'm going to consider is the engine, which has a sub-assembly as well inside it. Yeah, thanks for watching.